everyone, it's Rachel here from Rachel and Bella Crafts. Thanks for joining me again today. This is going to be quite a short video. I'm going to try and do some quick ephemera and tags and embellishments. I might break them down into a couple of short videos, but basically just ideas for people if you've got Happy Mail or swaps that you need to do and you don't have an awful lot of time. So the first part of the Happy Mail that I'm going to look at is tags. As I said, I've got 3 swaps to do this month for ephemera and embellishments from one of the Facebook groups. Well, it's from our Facebook group actually. And I've also had a couple of journal swaps that I've got to do, and a couple of other things. So I didn't want this to become too time consuming a task, otherwise it puts you off doing it in the future, doesn't it? So I thought, right, well, let's see if we can find a way to do these really quickly, but so that they still look nice. So what I'm using here, these are the tags from one of our digital kits. It is the French floral kit, I believe. I always get the name of this one wrong. But I picked these because they have got nice neutral backgrounds that are readily layered. I don't know if you can see this, like lace and collage and bits and pieces like that on there. So they already feel quite texturized, if that's even a word. And they're perfect for you just embellishing straight on. So what I've decided to do is use up some of the fantastic stuff that I've been sent in the swaps, because I've had so many wonderful things sent to me. And I've had lots and lots of these lovely stickers sent. So these are not something I would normally work with, mainly because I didn't have any. But I thought I'd give it a try today. So, sorry, excuse me rustling. Here we go. I also want to layer some fabric on there. Just I'm looking at my watch as if I know what time I started. I don't think I do. I think I know what time I started, but it's probably wrong. So this will probably end up being longer. I may speed a few elements up and cheat. No, I'm only kidding. Here we are. So that's that bit there. That little square there. Oh, I'm covered in glue now. It's the only thing when you're doing them fast, it gets messy. So I've been working on a new kit this week. One of the girls in Chrissy, she's one of my admin on my journal page, and I said, oh, what, any ideas? I said, I need some ideas for a kit. What would you all like me to make? She was, oh, she's like, I'm looking for something with dragonflies on. So I was like, oh, okay. I thought, well, I always think butterflies, but I don't think I've done anything with dragonflies. So I was like, okay, I'll have a little look. So Sunday afternoon, sat down and got a new kit together, which I almost finished. I just got to finish the ephemera. I might sit and do that tonight once we've had tea. And then I can show you all then, but I'm trying to master Photoshop and it's not sitting easily with me, I'll be honest. So I get it, and I'll go in and watch a tutorial, or find something on YouTube that'll tell you how to do stuff, and then because I'm not doing it all the time, I forget things really quickly. Excuse me for stretching. And I have to go find the tutorial again then. And then the first challenge is, well, where did I find it last time? And I think, I forget about my, your history in it on your your web browser, so obviously you have your history's on that, isn't it? But I always forget to just go and look in there, and I'll be ages and ages and ages, and then that'll be another hour gone browsing looking for a tutorial. And then as soon as I find the tutorial and put it on, then it comes back to me. Oh, I know, I remember to do this, and I switch it off then. I think, well, that was a complete utter waste of an hour. But until I see it, it's gone. And then it's like a little light bulb moment. I think, oh yeah, I remember now. It's the clip-in mask. That's one of the ones that always... The trouble is, all of the tutorials on YouTube, internet, for doing DigiKits and for using Photoshop, their version of Photoshop is different to mine. In fact, I'm not even sure if they're using Adobe. I'm not entirely certain. So where they're saying, oh, you know, go here, look for this, or press this button, my version doesn't have any of that. And I'm like, oh, this is really not helping. But so I've got to try and like read between the lines. But the way that they say about doing the clip-in mask, oh, I'm sorry, it's my tummy again. The way they say about doing the clip-in mask is completely different to how it is online. So I had to Google in the end and found a forum, and somebody put a hack, is that the word? A hack on there, and said, oh, try it this way, because my version didn't work like that either. And it worked. I'm like, yay, one of those yay moments. Okay, oh, I quite like these little toppers. Like I say, it's not something I've worked with before, but they are very pretty. Right, I need something at the top of my tags now. What can I put at the top? Think, quick. That's too thin. Right, I'm going to make a mess here a minute now. Excuse me, I might tip all this all over my desk. It's a bit more like it. So yeah, that kind of kept me busy over the weekend. And we had snow again, which was bizarre, because it's April now. It's definitely not the time for us to be having snow. But no, more snow. Not a lot, you know. We just seem to have these like flurries of it. It doesn't come to anything, but my gosh, it's been cold. Because we were hoping by now to have not had the fire lit, but it's too cold. My heating is playing up now on my boiler. We've not used our central heating much over the winter because we've been using the fire, but because I hadn't lit it the other day, and I went up to my son's room. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really cold in here, when you say. So I was like, I'll go and put the heating on for a bit. Plumbing working then, so I've sat and an hour later, still freezing, looking at my fingernails, thinking they're going a bit blue. I thought, well, hang on a minute, so I put the heating on. No, it doesn't come on. I think it's the, I don't know if you've got the same as us, like a remote controls, so the controls are not attached to anything, they're not on the wall. And now and again, ours tends to disengage itself from the boiler, so the one isn't talking to the other. But yeah, so that's not working. And then I got it on yesterday, and then went up to bed last night, and it was boiling, because obviously it's one extreme or the other, isn't it? And so I've had to switch it off at the boiler now, so I just need to make sure tonight, I make sure I remember that it's switched off at the boiler, otherwise it won't come on at all. But yeah, you can tell winter's nearly over. It's all these little issues that crop up. Oh, I'm trying to open this without damaging the packaging, but I can't see it. Oh, it's already open, that's right. Okay, so let's have a little look at these. What have we got here? So these are one of the lovely sets of embellishments and stickers I was sent. So I thought they're quite cute, and they are very botanical, so I think they'll go nicely with these. So let's give that a try there. Oh, I'm covered in glue now, it doesn't want to stick down. Here we go. Put that one on there to go with the green butterfly. And which one should we put with you? That one there, I think, the pink and the green. There we go. So that's my 3 big tags done. Just want to pop something on these little ones now. And I think I'm going to use some of my stickers for these. Where's my sticker book? Here it is. Get out my big sticker book. I love this book. Absolutely love it. But there's so much choice. Right, what have we got here then? I'm thinking a bug of some kind. Ooh, that's nice, but it's yellow. You probably won't see it. Ooh, what about this one? Just put that in there. I love these stickers, but obviously they are a bit new looking. So I find if I just stick a little bit of me swishy brush, as I call it, on there. They don't look quite so bright. Ooh, that's a pretty one there. Should we put her on there? Get her off. There we go. So let's just pop you by there. Okay, that's that one. And then this one here. Oh, nice bright colour on there, I think. Ooh, I know it's yellow, but it's a bright yellow. Let's try this one. I think that's going to disappear, is it? Let's pop that there. Lovely jubbly. There we go. Okay, so I have no idea how long that took. It definitely wasn't 10 minutes. But I don't think I was far off. So there we are. We've got 6 tags, 3 large ones, 3 little ones. So that's the first one, that's the second one, that's the third one, and then you've got that one there, oh, that one there, and that one there. And they're all ready now to go in with my set for my Happy Meal swaps. Okay, thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care now. Bye.